Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a Felicity Jane box, so I am super excited to unbox this with you. So, let me move this out of the way, and because our mail is always on the ground at the post office, I'm going to wipe that down. Yeah, we're in a country place, so everybody gets their stuff through the mail here. But it is gorgeous, and it is tied up with the bow and the beautiful polka dot paper that she is scalloped paper. Here's the information. Felicity Jane. Absolutely, Jeana does a phenomenal job on these, and I always use these. I either put this down on a page or make a card or whatever. So, you never want to not use every bit of the buffalo. Let me reassure you. So, oh, I should have kept that tied, and I could have just done this for you guys. But, let me see. Oh, no, I can't do it. It's not going to let me. Okay, so many of you know on this channel, I've been a huge Felicity Jane fan over the years. I had to stop for a season. I went ahead and subscribed again. Jeana's been a tremendous, kind person over the years, working with her. And I just decided that, as we're going through this, small businesses need our support. I already support, the big box Walmart and Amazon right now, so it was time to support small businesses. So, I can't get to my Tuesday morning. I can't get to a lot of things. She always has stuff on sale. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. And the kit is a great deal. So, this is not all kit. This is a lot of extra. So, hang with me as we make our way through this gorgeous bag of goodies. So, here we go. And I don't know if they always send me extras, I'm not sure. But here's the hearts, and these are wood veneer, and I love those. I can't wait to play with those. Here is a Bailey die cut, or ephemera set, so I'm going to put it up like this. So, yeah. And Bailey is someone from the past. This is a Hannah, and I love that. And I've had a lot of the Hannah over the years, or over the seasons that it's been available. And this is from a Jill kit. These are they're the clear acetate, beautiful etched drawings, and just gorgeous, sketches, floral sketches and whatnot. This is from Bailey, so this is just chipboard stickers, and I think it's charming. I love these. These are the vellum frames from Catherine. Absolutely love these. So I keep turning it over so hopefully you can see. It's very light because a lot of these are very pastel-y, if I dare say that, if that's a word. So I also picked up this. I believe this is 5x7, and my ruler is gone from in here, so somebody must have helped themselves, but these are all 5x7, I believe, and I'm really getting to where I want the larger journals. I enjoy them. I use I heard somebody make the suggestion where you cut it, punch it, and you can put it in your Happy Planner rings. And I thought, done. So, anyways, I love these. I will use these in my By the Well for God journaling, and these have such great paper on the inside. And just really quickly, I will show you what it's like. It really is nice, and yeah, I think it is always a valuable. I have a lot of the traveler journals, but I really prefer the Diane Reevesley for that. So it's just really nice butter paper, and just beautiful. So I will punch these, cut these and punch these and pop them in my Happy Planner. And it's been a while since I've worked with her paper, so it's always good to put your toe in, try a few, see if you like them. And, it may or may not be your cup of tea, but it gives you an opportunity, to try and see. Okay, so, whoops. There you go. I may have to move all this. It's gonna tip over. It's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, let me move that. I do have a table that my daughter scooted over, and that's totally fine. We have a Sarah in our family, so I have a darling Sarah stamp, and I think it's charming. You get the girl and the name, so I love these. I also picked up more of the journaling cards. On the back, they're either dot grid or they are the graph grid, and I love these. These are fantastic. I picked up, this is from the Elizabeth kit. We also have an Elizabeth in our house, in our family, so I wanted the name stamp. And I love anything floral, summer bloom, love, good times, relax, good vibes only, sunny days, etc. So there's just, oh, it says my happy place. So my happy place, the garden. There you go. Right now, we are bloom where we are planted. Here's the Christmas holly gift tags. I love these. I'm putting these up in my 25 Days of Christmas box, and it's right up there, so I'm going to put that with that. And I also picked up more journaling cards. I love her journaling cards. When these are on sale, I always buy several. They're my all-time favorite journaling cards. I mean, I love other things, like By the Well for God, I love all those too. But when these are on sale, they're usually on sale for a good deal, so I always get several. So these are, they look like library cards, and I think they're charming. And they're different colors, and I thought these would be fun. And I'm trying to see if I have any more journaling cards, and I'm sure I do, I just can't see them. So, oh, here's another one of the library cards. So I have two of those. Oh, and I told you I like these. I got the extra frames. So, all right, now, I love these. These are the mini file folders. I think they are charming. Are they hard to make? No. Is it fun just to have in your stash? Yes. So, I picked up a few. I think they're great, and I'll use them in my junk journals or in whatever I'm working on. More journaling cards. So, these are all beautiful. And then look, this is the dot grid. So, I have either the graph or the dot grid. Here's another, oh, I did get the Elizabeth stamp. Yay! Okay, and of course we have, and the Elizabeth is spelled the way we spelled our Elizabeth, so that's beautiful. I love that. And I'll just put those to the side. I picked up more die cuts for the fall. This is the Harper set, so this I will use, I believe these are fall, yeah, grateful together. I will use this in my gratitude journal this next fall. So, any of you that want to do the gratitude, we've been doing a fall Bible journaling camp. Maybe this is what we use. So give me your feedback. I'd love to know. Alright, so here is the current girl. I believe she's current. I think this is Catherine. I think that was the kit. So I love that these girls are real shaped. You know, there's thin and beautiful and willowy ones, and then there's full-figured girls, and there is, I mean, they're just representative. Jeana does a great job, and her staff, they do a great job on these. So this is Catherine. I think she's darling. My kind of second mom in life's name was Catherine. So, and she kind of dressed, she didn't wear overalls, but she was always in shorts. And they're always like, you know, right where those shorts were. It just kind of cracks me up. She always wore sandals like that. It's just funny. So, anyways, it made me think of her. And then these are the Catherine ephemera. And look at it. You get 3 tags and everything else. A heart, a room key for like a hotel key. We don't see those anymore. I love the My Story. A little life update about me. This is just cute. Currently, so cute. Let's see. Another set of stamps. This one is the Hannah stamp. Florals again. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. Nelson Mandela, looking ahead. Questions. Worry less, live more. Okay, now what? That is a question I ask a lot. What's next? On my mind, be true to yourself. Answers, all part of my story. I love these. These are perfect journaling stamps. Perfect. Okay, speaking of more perfect journaling stamps, look at all this for your planner or your journal. There's the script, months and days of the week, as well as the uppercase typed, and you even get year, and you get a colon, and you get a dash. So very, very neat. I love this. Again, she does a phenomenal job. She really does. And then here is a Sarah. Again, we have a Sarah in our family. There are so many beautiful reasons to smile. Choose happy, smile, and then the big word happy, and then the florals. And our Sarah loves, and the heart. And our Sarah loves flowers. Let's see. Here is a hope. Sorry, it was moving and I thought it was something falling on the floor. There's a hope die cut set. So you get the girl always, and then you get all the extra goodies, that the ephemera that goes with it. Love it. It's gorgeous. I love it all. More journaling cards. I'm telling you, I already have one of these, so you know this was on sale. I bought 2. I love their journaling cards. These I love. This is going straight for my fall journal. I love these. These were on sale, I believe. There's 6 pieces, so you get the 2 different sizes of each color, and they're felt and they're embroidered, and yes, I can make them, but how wonderful it is to have this pre-done. It's beautiful. So, those are the perfect things you throw in your bag. Here's the rest of the planner goodies. You've got the actual numbers for the dates. You've got things to put down like birthday, meeting, to-dos, remember, shopping date, anniversary, vacation. If you like do a bujo, a bullet journal, this is perfect. Important, menu, breakfast, dinner, pardon me, grateful today, lunch, date, and then you've got the checkoffs, and you've got like the swash of color to go behind that. So you can just swash a color of light pink and then put the stamp on top. Absolutely gorgeous. So, alright, let me see, is there anything else little? Okay, no. So let's go to the next level. The next level are her vellums, and again, this was on sale, very affordable, and I will use that in my fall journaling kit. I thought it was beautiful, and I believe it says beautiful, oh, hello beautiful, that's what it says. I think that is way too much fun. I love to pick vellums like this. It is a little bit bigger than the actual journal, the larger journal, but it's perfect on a 12 by 12, and you can cut it and have spare pieces to play with, so that's always good. I did pick up these darling essential label stickers. There's tabs, there's stickers. It's just amazing. These kits are amazing. You just, seriously, if you can get them and get them on sale, go for it. Here's the rest of the Catherine kit. So these are the puffy stickers. Sorry I'm not separating it out, but I literally opened it just the way I received it. So this is the kit that is current right now. This is Catherine. So it says dream, good times, love this, flowers, the ampersand, a heart, happy day. There you go. And today. I love that. And look at these letters. They're just sherbety in color. They're Catherine. They go with this month. You get the letters, the numbers, and a little bit of the punctuations. So these are gorgeous to work with. Hold on. Here's the Catherine ephemera kit. Super cute. Isn't she cute? She's so cute. And then look, you've got tags. You've got, oh, I guess I ordered an extra one of these. Yep, because I loved the room key. There were several things in here that I loved. So I have already shared that with you. I also picked up additional days of the weeks, you know, the abbreviated, the large type, the smaller, you know, type, you know, currently loving, watching, reading, circles, rectangle, a tag, or I don't know, banner that says, I want to remember, and then the name Catherine. That's neat. Oh, that came with the kit. Oh, that came with the kit. That's why. Oh, okay. I was like, I wonder why I bought 2 that have the, you know, days of the week. There you go. So here's the paper that comes with the kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I have one more down there. So you do get the scalloped ones, and you also get the prints. So always save the label in each of these, because you can cut those apart and use them. Always use them. And then I picked up this for my gratitude journal. This is the Harper, and of course, you've seen some of that I've already shared. So that's it, guys. I mean, these are gorgeous. I don't do much 12 by 12 journaling anymore or memory keeping. So, you know, all I do is I pre-cut these and have them ready to go in whatever size journal I'm using. So if I'm using traveler size, I'll put them in that. If I'm going to be switching to this size, then that is what I'll pre-cut these and have them cut down for. And I just cut them, put them in a stack, pull them, and use them as I need them. And it's all pre-done. So that's my, if I had to give you a tip right now, pre-cut, ready to roll. All you have to do is order your pictures and grab your ephemera, your stamps, your ink, your, what am I trying, stamping block, and some scissors and a tape runner, and you're ready to go. And a pen, so you can journal. So it's really a great way, and these kits are gorgeous. So, okay, friends, that's it here. I'm going to set this back here. So if you're still interested in Catherine, I think that's still available. Again, it takes me a long time to get anything. So please forgive me. It takes me a while. And this is the ribbon it's tied with, just when I said that. And I just found this. Look at this. So this had to be from the Harper. These are the little bitty pumpkins and leaves. So I think that's fun for fall. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything else. Yeah, that's it. All right, because she has little squigglies in there. She packs this beautifully. So, all right, you know I save the tissue. I put that in my tissue box that I save, and I actually use a Felicity Jane box that I keep all my tissue in. So these boxes are phenomenal. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, hey, why not? We'd love to have you. And this is really a fun group of people. Our channel has been amazing. There's so many of us that connect through Instagram and other things, and email, and of course messaging. And I'm slower on the messaging, I'm sorry, but it really is an amazing community, and people praying for people. That's what it's about. So we'd love to have you. We'd love to have you be part of us, and we'd love to encourage you. So, you know, hit that subscribe. We'd love to have you. Say hello if you like, you know, or send me a private message, josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. It's listed below, and just say howdy. All right, friends. Most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so, so much for being here. God loves you. So do I. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.